Hello and welcome to Lesson 8 of Animal Farm. Today's lesson will focus on summarising key ideas and events that have taken place in George Orwell's text, Animal Farm, from chapters 1 to 8. Before completing this activity, it's important to ensure that all group members in your team have covered and are at the same stage of the text, so everyone's able to contribute and participate in the group activity. To start, we're going to briefly go over the focus comprehension strategy of summarising. Now, I know that you would all be familiar with this strategy and how to use it, but it's an important skill to practice and develop, so you're able to create your own version of what you read in words that make more sense to you. To summarise is to put in your own words a shortened version of written or spoken material, stating the main points and leaving out everything else that you think is not essential. Summarising is more than retelling. It involves analysing information, distinguishing important from unimportant elements, and translating larger chunks of information into a few short cohesive sentences, which you'll do with the chapters that you've been running through in Animal Farm. Now for the activity. As a group, you will create an Animal Farm timeline that will require you to work collaboratively with your peers in order to capture the crucial details that have arisen in each chapter, to therefore summarise the story in sequence that have become apparent so far. Step 1. Setting up your timeline. We suggest that you designate one person from the group to rule up one line across the middle of the provided butcher's paper, title the work, and divide the sticky notes evenly amongst your peers. Step 2. As a group, identify 2 to 3 key ideas or information that has occurred in each chapter. It may be helpful to refer back to your summary notes and activities that we've previously done with you as a reference. We suggest dividing the chapters 1 to 8 between your members to assist in effective teamwork. For example, one member may focus on chapters 1 and 2, and another member may focus on chapters 3 and 4. As you identify these main points, write them down on the sticky notes to be shared to the group. Step 3. Once the key ideas have been identified and written down, you now have a chance to share and discuss what you've summarised with your group. When listening to your peers, make sure that they have pinpointed the main ideas, key details, key words and phrases. They haven't written large sentences but broken them down, and they've written only enough to convey the gist of the story. Step 4. As a group, sequence the sticky notes in order of events on the Animal Farm timeline, ordering start to finish from left to right. Now, don't be afraid to add, erase or change the summarised information, as we encourage you to support but also challenge your peers in order to produce the best outcome. Once your group is satisfied with the sequence of events, paste them down permanently on the timeline with a glue stick. Step 5. The extension activity. With the remaining sticky notes, make predictions of key ideas and events that you think might happen in the remaining 2 chapters of Animal Farm. Once these predictions have been written down, stick them at the top of your timeline to be viewed as you come to a close of the story. No time to waste, get started, and we look forward to viewing your fabulous work soon. Happy learning from the team.